Here is oven-baked Baja fish tacos. Serves 4 and takes 35 minutes to prepare. Crisp tortillas, golden oven-cooked fish, tangy slaw and creamy lime sauce. 1 pound of firm white fish fillets cut into strips. 8 small corn tortillas. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 2 cups of shredded cabbage and 1 medium carrot grated. 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons crema or sour cream, and 2 tablespoons lime juice. 1 jalapeño minced, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 1 avocado sliced, and lime wedges to serve. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Pat the 1 pound of fish strips dry and place them in a shallow bowl. Toss with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper until evenly coated. Dredge the seasoned fish strips into 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, pressing gently so the crumbs adhere evenly. Arrange the breaded fish strips on a rimmed baking sheet lined with parchment, leaving space so they bake crisp. Brush 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil evenly over the breaded fish strips to help them brown in the oven. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking sheet with the fish in the oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes until golden and the fish flakes easily. In a bowl, combine 2 cups shredded cabbage and 1 medium carrot grated. Toss briefly to mix the vegetables. Whisk together 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons crema or sour cream, and 2 tablespoons lime juice until smooth to make the dressing. Pour the dressing over the shredded cabbage and carrot and toss until the slaw is evenly coated. Warm the 8 small corn tortillas in the oven on a rack for about 2 minutes so they become pliable and slightly toasted. Assemble the tacos by placing 2 to 3 pieces of oven-baked fish on each warm tortilla. Top with a spoonful of slaw and a few slices of avocado. Sprinkle 1/4 cup chopped cilantro and the minced jalapeño over the tacos for fresh heat and flavor. Squeeze lime wedges over the tacos to taste. Serve immediately while the fish is hot. This completes the recipe. Enjoy your oven-baked Baja fish tacos. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for more. Thanks for watching.